Excel files and other documents are essential on Mac. You don't want to find any corrupt documents when you need to access them. This video will show you proven ways to repair corrupted Excel files on a Mac. Method 1. Repair corrupted Excel file Mac with software. EaseUS Fixo Document Repair is one of the most reliable repair programs you can find. Launch Chrome, type EaseUS.com, and then hit enter to enter the EaseUS official website. Scroll down and click Fixo. Click Free Trial to download EaseUS Mac Fixo. Step 1. Launch EaseUS Fixo on the Mac. Choose File Repair from the left panel. Click Add Files to select the corrupted Excel files you want to repair. Step 2. Click the Repair or Repair All button. You can click the eye icon to preview the repaired document. Step 3. Click Save to save a selected document. Click View Repaired to locate the repaired folder. Method 2. Restore corrupted Excel file Mac with Time Machine. Step 1. Launch Mac Time Machine by clicking Enter Time Machine in the top menu bar. Step 2. Find the target Excel files from the recent backups. You can quickly locate the files by the backup date. Step 3. After selecting the Excel files, click Restore to get them all back. Remember to delete the corrupted Excel files on Mac to avoid confusion. To avoid overwriting issues, you can choose the Save Both option. Now, you can open the corrupted Excel files and edit them on your Mac. Above is the full content of this video. If you find these two methods to repair damaged Excel files useful, please subscribe to us in order to get more useful content in the future. Have a nice life, see you soon.